What you are about to witness seems impossible. A catastrophic failure. A vehicle left for scrap. But in the hands of one woman, a wreck is not an ending. It's the beginning of an astonishing transformation. Stay with us to see how resilience and skill can conquer ruin. Once pulled from the brink, the real work begins. Every part is assessed with a careful, knowing eye. The heart of the machine is stripped down, layer by layer. Each component holds a piece of the story of its collapse. Inside the battered cabin, a quiet determination takes hold. With her own hands, she begins to piece it back together. An intricate puzzle of wires, metal, and glass. Even the electrical heartbeat of the truck is checked for a pulse. New life is forged in fire and steel. A shattered frame is made whole again through sheer will. The newly forged support is carefully integrated. A final, thorough inspection before the ultimate test. In the silence, a quiet look of satisfaction, a job well done. But for this master mechanic, the work is never truly over. Another challenge always awaits. Beneath the weight of another broken machine, she begins again. Tracing the complex network of power. The engine's core is exposed, revealing layers of grime and neglect. The bones of the vehicle tell a tale of hard miles. The entire chassis must be examined. With unwavering focus, she tackles the suspension system. The search for replacement parts is a journey in itself. A stubborn bolt gives way to patient hands. Identifying the precise point of failure. One heavy burden is carried to grant the machine its mobility back. Simple tools and ingenuity provide the needed leverage. Modern power assists in the disassembly. A hidden component is carefully removed. The old and the new, side by side. Inspecting the wheel hub for any signs of wear. She moves with a purpose, gathering the necessary tools for the next phase. Now, attention turns to the critical brake system. Every connection must be perfect, every bolt secure. The process is methodical, patient, and precise. The task is complete, and she moves on. Beneath the rustic frame, a hidden world of mechanics comes to light. The brake drum is gently coaxed from its housing. Each piece is carefully reassembled on a simple wooden block. Tiny adjustments are made, crucial for safety and performance. A quick spin confirms the smooth operation. The inner workings of the brake system fully exposed. The vital brake lines are reconnected with precision. Old grease and grime are washed away, revealing the true state of the parts. Wheel bearings are cleaned and inspected with immense care. The refurbished bearings are expertly fitted back into the hub. The reassembly continues, reversing the long process of deconstruction. Each bolt is tightened, securing the wheel in place. A final check ensures everything is solid and secure. Life is breathed back into the tires. The entire system undergoes one last meticulous review. Years of dirt and neglect are washed away. Revealing the machine that was hidden underneath. The final touches are applied. The moment of truth arrives, the engine turns over. Reborn from the inside out, it drives away. The cycle begins anew, another vehicle, another story of decay. Underneath the mud and rust lies potential. Even the interior, worn by time, is not beyond saving. In a remote landscape, a different kind of failure, a tractor, overturned. She faces the immense weight of the machine, undeterred. Lost to the wilderness, it seems an impossible recovery. The disassembly must happen here, in the heart of the woods. Searching for the right tool for an unconventional repair. Each part is a struggle to remove. With incredible strength, she salvages what she can. Preparing for the mechanical surgery ahead. Every tool has its purpose. An attempt to right the heavy machine begins. Help arrives. Together, they pull it from its resting place. Slowly, the fallen tractor is brought back to the path. Freed from the forest's grip, its true damage is revealed. It stands as a monument to the accident, awaiting its revival. The diagnostic process starts immediately. Cleaning away the debris to get a clearer look. Once again, it all begins with the battery, the source of its spark. The tractor's engine, a complex heart of steel, is now her focus. She works with a delicate touch on the heavy machinery. The battered machine stands silent as she operates. Preparing to give it the fuel it needs to run again. Returning to the engine's core, the repairs continue. A moment of contemplation, planning the next move. Success, it moves under its own power, a ghost resurrected from the forest. That the wild terrain claims another victim, a jeep, swallowed by mud. Hopelessly stuck, its journey has come to a halt. The restored tractor is now the rescuer, a symbol of the cycle of repair. Once freed, the layers of mud are washed away. The trauma of being submerged has taken its toll on the engine. A new battery offers a fresh start. The entire engine bay is a canvas of mud and mechanical parts. Fine-tuning the carburetor to help the engine breathe again. A look of hope, the revival is almost complete. A close-up view of the intricate components. The work is painstaking, requiring immense patience. Every part is inspected and cleaned. The engine is slowly but surely brought back to health. The engine's cylinder head, a complex piece of engineering. The block is exposed, awaiting the reassembled head. The old, dark oil is drained, a necessary transfusion. She works from every angle, completely immersed in the task. The head is bolted back on, securing the engine's core. Her focus is absolute, her movements precise. Adjusting the valves, a critical step in the engine's timing. Further tuning ensures the perfect mix of air and fuel. The final pieces of the engine are put back into place. New spark plugs will provide the ignition for a new life. She carries the weight, preparing to lift the vehicle for underbody work. Using jacks and logs, she gains access to the chassis. The tire is removed, heavy and cumbersome. The work on the brake system is intimate and detailed. The car rests, suspended, in a state of partial assembly. Each component of the brake is carefully handled. Power tools are used to tackle the most stubborn parts. The workspace is an organized chaos of tools and parts. A close inspection reveals the next step. The car stands ready, the transformation nearly complete. The differential, the heart of the axle, is carefully extracted. The complex assembly is systematically dismantled. A slender shaft is gently removed from the gearing. With skilled hands, she removes a bearing from its seat. In a simple pan, years of grime are scrubbed from the gears. Each tooth of the gear is meticulously cleaned. The cylindrical housing is restored. No detail is too small, no part is overlooked. The final polish reveals the true metal beneath. The collection of clean parts lies ready for reassembly. The small, intricate pieces are the first to be put back. The dance of reassembly begins, a reverse of the earlier process. Each gear is seated perfectly into place. The complex mechanism begins to take shape once more. It's a slow and deliberate process. Precision is key to the differential's function. The housing starts to come together. The final components are fitted. A last piece is added to the puzzle. A smile of accomplishment, the differential is restored. Now, on to another Jeep, another set of challenges. She delves into the rear brake system with practiced ease. Using a simple jack, she stabilizes the assembly for repair. The wheel is loosened, a familiar, rhythmic task. She holds the disassembled brake part, inspecting it closely. The new, red brake shoe is prepared for installation. Positioning the heavy tire requires both strength and technique. A power tool makes quick work of securing the wheel. Underneath the vehicle, she tackles the drive shaft. The final adjustments are made, completing the marathon repair. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel TrueNGA for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.